Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Today I've got an exciting video. I'm reviewing Eufy Delivery Box, and this is a novel concept. Not sure a lot of people use delivery box, but here in the USA, Maryland, it's a very common thing to have a delivery box, because in this area and certain parts of the US, we struggle from something called porch pirates. And what does that mean is it's people who decided to steal packages from your porch. And these packages can be so important. It could be medication, it could be something that costs $600-700, and nothing worse than when you invest your hard-earned money into purchasing something, and when it arrives, someone steals it, or worse yet, the delivery driver never show up with that package and you have no evidence to prove that the delivery driver did not show up. So I decided to buy the Eufy delivery box, and there's some cool features about Eufy in general, and I've done so many videos on Eufy product which I absolutely love. Please check out my playlist of Eufy product. But Eufy makes, and it's probably the only company I've seen that makes a delivery box that has pin generated code, motion sensor, two-way audio, and live recording of an event that happens around the box. The concept here is a driver shows up to your door, delivery box gets a notification there's someone entering or in that proximity of the delivery box. The delivery box sends an audio saying please open or enter the pin to open the box. The driver will open the box with the pin you provide, or just push the open button and drop the package inside the box. What does that mean is your package is, one, secure from the elements out there. That includes a porch pirate or anyone that decide to not let you have your package, and there might be some determined folks in your neighborhood. Second, that package is well secure from the weather elements. God forbid you live in a neighborhood that has a bear or a fox and they decide to run away with your package, or worse yet, the weather is pretty bad and it's an important package, and the weather, it rains, whatever the case may be, and due to that natural weather your package get destroyed. Or thirdly, by having it secure in a delivery box, you're also hiding it from your spouse. If it's something that's like a surprise that you want to have for your spouse, it's all in that little contained box. So those are from a human element, that's the best benefit of the delivery box. And then from a package security perspective, if you say you expect a delivery, the driver decide to deliver the package somewhere else, you have video evidence there to provide to the company that the package never arrived on the day of. There's timestamp on that package, sharing video that you can share with the company that you ordered the item from, or if you have a delivery courier who decide to like tarnish the package, play soccer with your package, you can record it there and share it back to your company that you ordered it. So there is so many advantage of a delivery box. The fact is, it's an investment, it costs some money, and I don't expect everyone to purchase a delivery box. But if you are struggling from some of these factors, yeah, definitely go out and buy that delivery box. I'll have a link in the description on where to find the delivery box. But today's video is about Eufy Delivery Box. I'll go through all the settings, the features, and most importantly, how to install the Eufy Delivery Box. I went ahead and installed this delivery box 2 weekends ago. The weather is kind of warm now, so it allowed me the opportunity to install this box. And I've installed it in front of my front yard. So this is the step that goes up my yard. And right over here, you can see the delivery box. And she's talking to me. So let me give you a walkthrough of what this box is. But also before the box is set up, I want to show you all the knickknacks that need to be implemented before the box is functional. So the first thing you want to do in setting up a delivery box that is aluminum, pretty strong box, is you want to have a concrete pad. So this is a 2 feet by 3 feet concrete pad, which is 24 by 36 concrete pad. I did this myself. I went ahead and excavated about 2 inches of dirt under, poured the cement, add the frames, let the cement dry, and I was really lucky because I installed the anchors directly into the concrete pad. So when the concrete dried, the anchors was already there, so no drilling into the concrete after the fact. That's a smart idea, so I encourage anyone who's doing this here to use that tactic. Next up, this is the Eufy delivery box. So it's actually angled on my front step, so as someone is walking up my front step, instead of going all the way up, the courier would stop right here on this platform and then drop the item into the box. This is what the delivery box look like. You have the Eufy logo right here. You have Deliveries, bold letters, capital letters, and that's the Eufy logo. In terms of size, it's fairly big. It's about 3 feet tall and 2 feet in width, and in front of it you have a IP64 camera, which has motion detection, IR, night vision, and with the motion detection you can detect actually I think 165 degree field of view, which is really cool. You do have a smart slot here. This is actually a manual key. There's multiple ways to open this here. You can use a key, you can use a pin, or you can just use the app to open it. Here is the pin. You can use 7 to 8 digit pin that you can provide to your courier to use to open the delivery box, and that's the big blue open button. Assembly, I have a video here to show you what assembly look like. It didn't take that long, but it does require a lot of manual labor. These are heavy metal, and the way it's set up right now, you can't actually move it because anchored into the concrete, so no one can really take this off and run away with it. This also have, I want to show you this camera here, it also have two-way audio, so you can actually have live view of who's at the delivery box, but also you can speak to the person with the two-way audio who's at the delivery box.
Press open button to make a delivery. Enter the PIN code on the address label and press open. Incorrect PIN code. Please try again.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video to a friend. This might be a great Christmas present. This is an awesome smart home gadget and a must-have for certain folks. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and we'll see you on the next video.